Here's what you need to know about what is VRRP. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. VRRP stands for Virtual Router Redundancy Protocol. It is an open standard protocol, RFC 5798, that provides automatic default gateway failover. Like HSRP, it groups multiple routers under a virtual IP address, but VRRP works across any vendor hardware, not just Cisco. Key concept: master and backup routers. VRRP uses the term master instead of active and backup instead of standby. The master router forwards traffic for the virtual IP. Backup routers monitor the master and take over if it fails. Key concept: open standard versus HSRP. HSRP is Cisco proprietary and works only on Cisco devices. VRRP is an open IEE standard that runs on routers from any vendor. Use VRRP in multi-vendor environments. Key concept: priority-based election. Routers use a 0-255 priority value to elect the master. The router with the highest priority wins. A priority of 255 is reserved for the router that owns the virtual IP address. Key concept: advertisement interval. The master sends advertisement messages every 1 second by default. If backup routers miss 3 consecutive advertisements, they assume the master has failed and hold an election for a new master. Let's look at the full breakdown. VRRP, open standard, RFC 5798. Terms: master, backup, advertisement interval 1 second. Works on any vendor hardware. HSRP, Cisco proprietary. Terms: active, standby. Hello timer, 3 seconds, Cisco devices only. Here's a real-world example. A company uses routers from 3 different vendors in their data center. They implement VRRP so all routers can participate in gateway redundancy regardless of brand. The highest priority router from Juniper becomes the VRRP master. When it fails for maintenance, a Cisco backup router wins the election and takes over the virtual IP within 3 seconds. Quick recap before you go. 1. VRRP is an open standard first hop redundancy protocol, RFC 5798. 2. Master router forwards traffic. Backup routers monitor and take over on failure. 3. Priority 0-255 determines the master. Highest wins. 4. Advertisement interval is 1 second. Failover after 3 missed advertisements. 5. Key difference from HSRP. VRRP is vendor neutral. HSRP is Cisco only. That's what is VRRP covered. Exam tip. On the exam, VRRP = open standard, HSRP = Cisco only. Both provide first-hop redundancy with a virtual IP. VRRP calls the primary router master, not active, and VRRP priority 255 means the router owns the real IP. Next up, what is link aggregation? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.